Hello everyone, my name is Kaustubh Mahendra Shinde. I am from Pune, Maharashtra. I am very happy to inform you that I have got placed in OutworX Solutions Pvt Ltd. Evision have played a major role in my success. Evision Technoserve is an IT recruitment and consultancy company. In Evision, I have learned modules like basic networking, virtualization, Windows administration, CCNA, and ITIL. I have learned all these modules not only theoretically but also practically. The trainers are very skilled and having a good knowledge on each and every topic. They are supportive and make learning easy and interesting. They regularly take mock interview which help me a lot in building my confidence. I am very thankful for the Evision for helping me to get placed in a reputed company. I am very thankful for all the trainers and HR recruitment team. Last but not the least, I am very thankful to the Ashutosh Singh sir and my HR recruiter Nidhi ma'am for their guidance and support. Thank you.